nuts. Hey, welcome back all you awesome folks. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Star Wars 6-inch Black Series Slave Leia look a little better in my opinion. Because what you can see here is that she comes initially with this kind of crappy looking chain, and it's just not long enough either to make it really look good with Jabba here. So my Leia, I don't know about yours, but the head actually pops off really easily, and if not, you can always heat it up and that should make it a little easier to pull off. And then you can just pull this chain right off like that, get rid of that. So we got headless Leia, and what I was using before to make it look a little bit better was this is just a bathroom chain that I found with a ring on it, but that doesn't look really that great either. So what I picked up today at Michael's, the art store, was this bead landing chain, and I think it's going to look a lot better in this figure. And then I also picked up these also bead landing chain jump rings. I'm going to use this one in the middle as the choker collar that go around her neck. So what we're going to need today is a couple of needle nose pliers, and let's get started. Nuts. I feel like Sonic clicking on the rings. Yeah, they'll go around nicely. Get all these off. You don't need that many. Just the one ring. It's so small. And I've got big meaty sausage fingers. Makes things a little bit tough. So I take the one on the end, the two needle nose pliers, and spread it open. Oh my gosh. Spread it open just a little bit. Basically, just wide enough that you can get your jump ring in. Okay, I got it through. Then we gotta just close it back up. There we go. I'm not gonna worry about it coming off at all. We're gonna kind of figure out the length that we want. So just for some reference, that's already looking a lot better like that. The only thing that doesn't look so great is that head. We need a new head for the Return of the Jedi 40th anniversary. I know it's wishful thinking, but you never know, right? Might just get lucky. So I have it kind of long enough that they can wrap around his hand a little bit. And then right about there is good. So probably at about this length or so would be long enough. Keep that grab. Jeez, Leia, I'm not gonna lose your head over it. No! It is about there. Let's go with that. Now we're gonna have to spread it apart again. So find out which side opens.
There it is. Let's spread this leg open so we can pull the other end right out.
And just like that. And we got that whole bunch of chain left for anything else you want to use with it. And this one looks clean because we spread it apart on the other half. Let me wrap it around, or place it on anyway. Look at that. That looks a lot better. Alright, so looking back, I decided I kind of want to make the chain a little bit longer. Because the scene is not only about Leia being a slave to Jabba, but also about killing him with his own means. So I want to make sure that it's long enough that you can get a shot of Leia strangling Jabba with the chain. So you can choose to have it short like I had it before. It makes for a bit of a cleaner, simple posing. But I want to make it a little longer so I can do this as well. So I'll line it up to about there. And we can do what we did before. Spread out the link. Again, make sure it's the link on the side that you are getting rid of, so then you don't ruin the link on the one that you're using for Leia. She's royalty and deserves the best. This, don't need that. So now the chain is a fair bit longer, but perfect. I'll probably include that one in the glam shots at the end there so you can see just how it looks. So in just a moment we'll get to some glam shots. If you liked the video and found it informative, I'd appreciate a like and a share, comment, whatever you want. Any questions you have, any suggestions, I'd be happy to hear it. I'll read them all, reply to them. And if you want more content like this, I also do reviews. Be sure to hit subscribe. Thank you very much. And here's some glam shots. Have a great day.